Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for any audio setup, the Rockville RCXMB6R 6-foot male REAN XLR to 1.4 TRS cables. What's immediately striking is that these come as a pair, giving you excellent value right out of the gate for connecting your microphones or instruments. When it comes to audio cables, the details truly matter, and Rockville has clearly paid attention here. Let's start with the connectors. These cables feature REAN XLR male connectors paired with 1.4-inch TRS jacks, all nickel-plated. REAN is a brand known for its robust and reliable connections, ensuring that your signal remains secure and free from intermittent drops, which is absolutely vital whether you're in the studio or on stage. The nickel plating adds an extra layer of durability and corrosion resistance, extending the life of your cables. But the real magic happens inside. Rockville has engineered these cables with 24 AWG oxygen-free copper, or OFC, conductors. Why is OFC important? Because it significantly enhances signal clarity by reducing oxidation and minimizing signal loss. This means the sound traveling through these cables is as pure and uncolored as possible, preserving the integrity of your audio. You'll notice a cleaner, more accurate sound reproduction, which is paramount for professional-grade recordings and live performances. Beyond the conductors, the shielding is equally impressive. These RCXMB6R cables boast a 90% OFC spiral shield. This high percentage of shielding is incredibly effective at rejecting electromagnetic interference, EMI, and radio frequency interference, RFI. In simpler terms, it keeps unwanted hums, buzzes, and static out of your audio, ensuring a pristine signal path. The spiral design also contributes to the cable's flexibility, making it easy to coil, uncoil, and route around your gear without kinking or stressing the internal components. This flexibility is a huge plus for setup and teardown, especially in dynamic environments. At 6 feet in length, these cables offer a versatile reach for many common applications, from connecting a microphone to an audio interface, linking a guitar to an effects pedal, or patching various pieces of studio equipment. And let's not forget the vibrant red color. While aesthetics might seem secondary, a distinct color can be incredibly useful for cable management, helping you quickly identify specific connections in a complex setup, preventing mix-ups and speeding up troubleshooting. In essence, the Rockville RCXMB6R cables are designed for reliability and superior audio performance. They are built with high-quality components, from the REAN connectors to the 100% OFC conductors and shielding, all working together to deliver a clean, clear, and robust signal. For anyone needing dependable XLR to 1.4-inch TRS connections for their musical instruments or microphones, these cables present a compelling option that balances quality with practical design. They are a solid investment for enhancing the clarity and reliability of your audio chain.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.